In this world, everyone seeks for peace in their lives on a daily basis, regardless of whether one is rich or poor, weak or strong, healthy or sick. Everyone is in pursuit of peace. What is peace? Peace is a state of mind, and one needs to fully understand this. One may think if one can change one's place of residence, purchase a new car, or go overseas to earn money, one will get peace. However, these actions will not get one real peace of the mind. I'm not saying we should not pursue these material things in life which are essential. However, these material pursuits only provide temporary human comfort and convenience, not lasting peace of mind. The human being mistakenly believes that when one secures the dream job, purchase a new house, or the latest BMW car, then one would be happy and thus obtain peace of mind. However, after obtaining all these things, and after a short period time, the mind reverts to its original state of always asking for newer and more materialistic things. Many studies support this transition of the state of the human mind. If one thinks that a relative or a friend is an obstacle to achieving peace of mind, then the person would in all likelihood leave such a friend or relative so as to achieve a lasting peace of mind and happiness. The human being is more focused on changing the outer perspectives of his or her life, but not the mind, which is essential. Changing the thought process of the mind is both essential and fundamental to acquire a lasting peace of mind. Let me elaborate with an appropriate example. If a man has heart problem but focuses on getting his head treated, then no matter how much treatment he does, the heart problem will not be resolved. Similarly, one has to consciously focus and work on changing the thought process of the mind so as to achieve a lasting and enduring peace of mind. The focus on the outside and worldly material things will only bring one temporary peace. Thus, the focus of an individual should and must be on consciously changing the thought process of the mind, which is both essential and fundamental. Yes, worldly and materialistic things bring happiness, but this happiness is only temporary and transient in nature. The next question is, where does real and lasting peace of mind lie? When one's mind begins to always consciously connect with spirituality, one's mind, heart, intellect, and wisdom are purified. With this inner purification, there is no room for bad thinking, thoughts, actions, and deeds. More importantly, these actions with spirituality brings a lasting and enduring peace of mind. Like we need all the basic material things in our life, it is equally important for us to focus on and connect with spirituality to change the thought process of our mind and thereby bring a lasting peace of mind.